we spent several weeks testing the low to mid 350s. This is an important price ceiling. 351.38 is a 50% upside retracement from that December high against the April low. And 354.78 is a former 2-year channel top that still has relevance in its ability to contain buying on a weekly, possibly monthly basis. And as I've been saying for a couple of months, not unless we can close any week above 354.78 do I see an indication to go long longer term, anticipating then 517.12 as a possible 3 to 5 month. It could take longer than that, but that would be the big picture objective if we were to close Friday above 354.78. The weekly charts really have the final say in longer term price swings, and until we close above 354.78 on a weekly basis, this is a market that is contained to the upside. As you're well aware, every time we've tested the low 350s, we've anticipated this newly formed rising 4-month channel bottom that is now not far away at 309.31. Now, the first time we tested it following the testing of the 350s, it was in the 270s and it held nicely. And then we rallied within 2 to 3 weeks as we anticipated into the 350s again. And now that we've tested the 350s, we've been talking 1 to 2 weeks downside expectations of 309.31. We may see 309.31 today. This given the violation of 2 near-term channel structures. The first was the 339.82, the inside channel, which we use then as a 3 to 5 day sell signal down to 309.31. We're 4 days into that. We could test 309.31 today, especially holding below 326.74. 326.74 can contain intraday, possibly daily highs, and below it, yes, 309.31 in reach today. We could test 309.31, and within a couple of weeks, we can rally back into the 350s. But closing below 309.31, I think, has longer term sell signal ramifications. I would, yes, expect a retest of the 272.87 within a 2 to 3 weeks. That would be expected with a settlement below 309.31. So if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, and let's say you didn't sell the 350s, and now you're looking to sell the market, now you have to wait for a settlement below 309.31, because 309.31 can contain weekly lows, and from here we can rally back into the low to mid 350s again between now and say the end of next week. But if we close below 309.31, first off, any of you who bought that price point should reverse and go short, or at the very least exit your long position. 2 to 3 week swing traders down to 272.87. You can go short 3 to 5 week swing traders down to 221.86, and near term investors, swing traders, if we close below 309.31 within 2 to 3 months, I think we can test the 160.86 to 166.96 region. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.